Today we will talk about mathematical operations. You can write arithmetic expressions in Java just like you do in algebra. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division all work for both int and real data types. You can use parentheses as well to force an evaluation to have a higher level or precedence. The order of operations is left to right as it is like in basic algebra, and the precedence is also the same as in algebra. As usual, to better help your understanding, I'll show you guys in IntelliJ. So I got integer A, integer B, integer C, integer D, and integer DE. So I got 5 examples here. So let's see how the mathematical operation works in Java. So let's look at A. What is it gonna be when this 2 is divided by 3? We will think that it is going to be 0.66666. However, it doesn't work like that in Java. This is because A was called as an integer and we will not be able to see a result in double. Let's look at the integer B. It is 4 multiplied by 2, so it's gonna result in 8. This was fairly simple, but let's look at C. It shows the red line below the operation, which means it's giving an error. And as you can see, it says required int and we found double. This means that we have the double in the operation, but so the result is going to be double instead of the integer. So to fix this, we need to change this into double. Then the result is going to be 24.0. So the thing that you need to know is that when we are doing the mathematical operation with integers, it's gonna only result in integers, but when there's like integer and double, it's gonna result in double. And looking at D, 8 is divided by 2, so it's gonna result in 4. And for E, same problem, we got double inside the operation and the E is integer, so we will change that into double. And let's see how the things result. So to do this, we are gonna do system.out.println A plus, so that quotation mark is going to be an empty space, B plus C plus empty space, oops, and D plus empty space, and last but not least E, and let's see what it prints. So there we go. The first one came out at 0. As I told you, it can only show integers, so there's no way that it will show double. That is why it's showing 0. And for the second one, 8, 24.0, and 4, and 0.66666. And I will tell you guys another thing to know, to keep in mind, and it's called shortcuts, and it simplifies the operation. And I'll show you the picture here, and your job is to memorize these. It is not necessary for coding, but it makes your line of codes simpler, so it may be useful in the future. I hope you guys understood what the mathematical operation it looks like in Java, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys have questions, again, leave the comments and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thank you.